Hey everybody, I'm Brandon with ShopperInformer.com, and today I'm going to unbox for you this EM31 Muscle Massage Gun, a great product by DARKIRON. Let's get into it. So out of the box, we get a nice molded carry case here, two different designs on the front and back. This will keep everything organized and easy to take with you on the go. So inside the box, we got a large assortment of massage heads, 10 to be exact. You can always check out the user's manual to see what they recommend is the best one to use where. But eventually, once you experiment and explore with a few of them, you'll decide which ones you like best and where you want to use them. And on that note, the total kit includes the user's manual, 10 massage heads, we got our massager, and a charger. So coming in for a closer look on the massager, we've got a nice minimalist sleek design, just all nice and black. Yeah, it's got a nice grippy rubber handle right here, and it has some good weight to it, but it's not heavy by any means. On the bottom here, you have your on-off switch. Yeah, so you can do that. This is the master switch, and you'll get a green LED right there when you do that. You can also charge it right here at the bottom. That's where the barrel plug is going to plug in. And then on the back here, we have our on-off power switch in the center, and then plus and minus. So you're going to have 4 different levels of intensity that you can choose from. So when you turn it on, it instantly turns on. Yes, and we got a nice bright display screen back here. It also has a timer that's going to start counting so you know how long you've been using the massager, and it'll automatically shut off after 10 minutes. And you can use this button to change the intensity between those 4 different levels up and down. And then the green light that goes up and over is going to be your battery capacity, so you know where it's at, but there's also a little battery icon in there as well. Now, I don't know if you can hear this or not, but it's pretty quiet as I'm talking. Maybe if I put it over here by the microphone, you can hear it. And that's just on the lowest setting. And if I turn it up all the way, yeah, it's pretty quiet. It's got a brushless motor on the inside. Now when you're ready, choose any of your attachments, push it right in there, and it's going to be held in with a little bit of a vacuum seal. If you ever want to remove it or change it, you can just twist it and give it a little pull, and it pops right out nice and easy too. This attachment right here, this is real nice, right where the pec starts to come into the shoulder, especially if you're doing like chest workouts, a lot of push-ups, that's good. So there's a lot of good tips here to experiment and play with. I was enjoying these two right here, and I always love how massagers can help relax you and wind you down, but they also remind me that I don't give myself enough personal care on a day-to-day or a weekly basis. So some quick tech specs before we wrap up. We've got a 2500 milliamp battery. That should get you right around 3 to 4 hours of runtime depending on what intensity level you're using. And for the cost, that's a good sized battery. We've got a nice unit, lightweight, minimalist design, very easy to use, and a large assortment of tips. So this is a great massager. We got a good price, good battery capacity, and a nice assortment of tips. It's definitely not going to disappoint. And that's my opinion for today. If you'd like to see more great reviews, check out ShopperInformer.com. The link is down in the description.